Looking to fight inflammation? Here are the top 10 antioxidant-packed veggies you need in your diet. 1. Spinach, packed with vitamin C and E, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. 2. Bell peppers, loaded with vitamin C and beta-carotene, they add color and health. 3. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory properties. 4. Sweet potatoes, rich in beta-carotene, they are delicious and nutritious. 5. Kale, high in vitamins A, C, and K, it's a leafy green superfood. 6. Brussels sprouts, full of fiber and antioxidants, perfect for a healthy diet. 7. Purple cabbage, packed with anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants. 8. Beets, rich in betalains, they add vibrant color and health benefits. 9. Carrots, full of beta-carotene, they are great for your vision and skin. 10. Tomatoes, packed with lycopene, they are essential for a healthy heart. Add these veggies to your diet and fight inflammation naturally. Stay healthy.